Okay, so how are we going to make ice cream? So again, we have all of our ingredients we're going to use, but again, let's talk about the ice for a second. Right now, and I'm going to do the best I can to zoom in on this and show this to everybody. Right now the temperature, and I'm going to move back out because I know you guys can see it a little bit. As you can see, that's the 0 degree, and it is currently at -1 degrees inside this plastic baggie. I have the bag 1/3 full with ice. Again, the smaller the ice, the better. This is the best I could get at the time. Totally okay. Just moving the thermometer. In a smaller bag, a bigger bag will work, but small is better. I'm going to place 1 cup, half and half. Again, coconut milk works well if you are lactose intolerant. Almond milk does not. The fattier the milk, the better. After that, I add the flavoring next. I, again, am going to use maple syrup. Totally try this out. I'm just using generic brand, butter flavored. Putting some maple syrup in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be decent. And sugar. For sugar, I'm not a big sugar person. I'm sure some of you would go a lot crazier with a lot more. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Actually, probably 1.5. Probably that was. I'm going to actually stop. I think that's good enough. Get rinsing it off. Don't make too much of a mess. And again, very important. Triple check that you seal this and try to get all the air out. Now, why do we need to get all the air out? Air holds warmth. I want this to get cold. So the more air in here, the longer it's going to take to freeze because you need to cool that air. So I'm actually pretty pleased with that. Again, I am triple checking that it's sealed. Mixing it up, just trying to break up the sugar a little bit. Get all, you can see, oops, all that maple syrup at the bottom. And then you put that into the bag, okay? I'm gonna take the thermometer out, and the reason why you want that to be sealed is 2 reasons. 1, I don't want any of this spilling out into this ice. You can't eat ice cream then. And 2, based on colligative properties, I'm going to take 1 big scoop of the pink salt. And again, don't use pink salt. This is way overkill. You could totally use like rock salt, anything else. We don't want the salt getting in our ice cream. Another reason why we're sealing it. And again, get all the air out of the bag that you possibly can. I'm going to again triple check to make sure that this, there we go, has as little air as possible, because again, it will cool faster. Now comes the fun part. I am just going to shake this up, get that salt mixed around, and allow this salt to lower the temperature of the ice. At the end, I'm going to stick the thermometer back in. It was -1. We're going to see what it is in a little bit. So, this is a very messy lab. I'm going to pause it. And again, I'm literally just going to keep shaking this until we are good.